Hi, I'm Barbara. My husband and I have been married for 49 years. We have 6 children, right now 19 grandchildren. As I got the cataracts, the colors were fading and I was just really frustrated with my eyes. I quit driving at night because I didn't want to hurt myself. I didn't want to hurt anyone else. I was fearful that I would go blind, to be honest. It was my art that sent me to try to find a solution. I was extremely frustrated in how my eyes had become. Finally, I called up the local institute here and asked them, is there anything you can do for me? And they told me about PanOptix Lens. The hope just flooded over me, and I thought, there is a chance I am going to get this back. And I did not have 1 minute of hesitation. The doctor was absolutely wonderful, and he said that it could be back to normal eyesight. And I've never had normal eyesight. I have never been able to see without help. Well, the first time that I walked in and for him to check me, he asked, "How are you?" And I said, "I am fantastic." And he said, "Yes, you are." They said that I was 20/20 vision distance, 20/20 every single distance that they tested. I was just thrilled. Here I am, 70 years old, and I have new eyes.
I'm a commercial licensed pilot. I'm also a columnist for my own magazine and a columnist for Aviation Week. So I do some writing, but my main function is to serve as editor. Yeah, vision's kind of important for an editor. I'm on the computer all the time. I get a lot of hard copy. I read a lot of magazines. I read a lot of newspapers to try to get ideas. The nighttime driving really was a stopper. And finally, it got so bad, my wife laid down the law and she said, "You're not driving it at night anymore. We're done with that." My first surgery was December 20th, 2017. Right after the surgery, even on the way home wearing my sunglasses and what have you, I was startled to see that I could read the road signs. And honestly, I had not been able to do so. But 2 days after the surgery, I got in the car and I drove 740 miles in daylight and nighttime and really saw everything vividly. And I only had the one eye treated at that point. The greatest benefit to me of the surgery and the PanOptix Lens is that it has given me confidence in my visual ability. I'm just very satisfied and thankful.